Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 6, Element Mixture and Compound, Lecture number 4. This is the last lecture of unit number 6. Compound. When two or more than two atoms combine chemically with each other, they form compound. For example, sodium and chloride combine form sodium chloride, that is also called table salt. Hydrogen and oxygen combine form water. Carbon and oxygen combine form carbon dioxide. Chemical bonds. The force which join atoms together in a compound are called chemical bond. There are three main kinds of chemical bond. That first one is ionic bond, covalent bond, and metallic bond. Now explain these bonds one by one. Ionic bond. Ionic bond is formed when an atom loses or gives away an electron and it becomes positively charged. On the other hand, an atom gain or receive an electron, it becomes a negatively charged. If two atoms come close to each other, one of the atom give away an electron to other and become positive ion, while the atom that receive an electron that become negatively ion. The electrostatic force that hold these ions together to form a compound is called ionic bond. Now let's explain it with the help of an example. This is a sodium atom. In its outermost shell, there is one electron. So when it lost this electron, so it become positively charged. And this is chlorine atom, and their outermost shell there are 7 electrons. So when it receive this electron, it become negatively charged. So this is sodium ion and this is chloride ion. This is positively charged, this is negatively charged. So there are electrostatic force created between these two ions, and these join together these two ions and form a compound, and that is called ionic compound. And the name of that ionic compound, that is sodium chloride. Properties of ionic compound. Those compounds in which ionic bond is present are called ionic compound. Now what are the properties of an ionic compound? These are hot, solid, high melting and boiling point, soluble in water, and molten or in solution form. These are good conductor of electricity. Covalent bond. When atoms come close to each other and begin sharing electron, a covalent bond is formed. For example, this is oxygen atom, one oxygen atom. In their outermost shell, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons, and these are two hydrogen atom. And in the outermost shell, there is only one electron. Now this hydrogen, this hydrogen atom will share electron with this oxygen, and this hydrogen will also share its one electron with this oxygen atom. So this is the sharing of electron. So the outermost shell of oxygen is completed, that is 8, and this hydrogen, it is 2, and this hydrogen, it have also 2 electron in outermost shell. So it form a bond by sharing of electron, and this bond is called this is called covalent bond. Properties of covalent bond. Properties of covalent compounds. Covalent compounds are those compounds in which covalent bond is present. So such kind of compounds are called covalent compounds. The properties of covalent compounds, that these are exist in all state, solid, liquid and gas. These compounds have low melting and boiling point. They can only be soluble in those solvent in which covalent bond is present. These are bad conductor and volatile. Volatile means they can easily be evaporate. Now next is metallic bond. Atoms in metals are tightly packed, their electron overlap with each other. These are the electrons which overlap with each other and cannot be separated easily. This type of bond between the atom of a metal is called metallic bond, and such a bond can be found in copper, iron, etc. Now, what is the difference between compound and mixture? The composition of element present in a compound is fixed. The composition of element present in a mixture is not fixed. The properties of a compound are different from those of its element. While in mixture it shows the properties of all constituent element. Its constituents can be separated by chemical method. Its constituent can be separated by physical method. Compound is always homogeneous in nature, and the mixture can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Symbol. The chemical name of an element written in abbreviation form are called symbol. Usually the first two letters of the English or Latin or Greek name of the element is used. You can see here in this table, these are a few elements, and this is the symbol, like for carbon, C, nitrogen, N, hydrogen, H, and so on. This is Latin name, copper, Cu. So Cu, it is taken for coprum. This is a Latin name. And similarly you can see other elements that is also given in your book. Chemical formula. The molecule of a substance is written in a symbol that is called chemical formula. In this table you can see the different chemical formula of different compound like sodium chloride, NaCl, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and so on. Now this is the end of unit number 6. Now the homework. 5th week में पहले तो आप इस तरह करेंगे कि जितनी भी इस यूनिट 6 के लेक्चर हैं सारे लेक्चर को आपने गौर से सुनना है और उसको समझना है. इसके बाद जो है आपने कलेक्ट करने हैं, कलेक्ट डिफरेंट वर्ड्स एंड राइट एपिग्राम ऑन इट फ्रॉम पेज 52 to page 54. Make 10 MCQs, draw a structure of an atom and write a paragraph on it. Make a chart by your own choice from unit 1, 2 and 6. 6 वीक में फिर आपने पेज 55 से लेकर 57 तक इसको आपने रीडिंग देनी है और समझना भी है लेक्चर से. फिर आपने इन्हीं पेजेस से डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स कलेक्ट करने हैं और उसको लिखने हैं. फिर इससे आपने 10 MCQ भी बनाने हैं, उसको भी रिटन जो आपका नोटबुक है वैकेशन का आपने उसमें लिखना है. ड्रा ए डिस्टिलेशन apparatus diagram and write its process in your own words. پھر 7 منتھ میں آپ نے پیج 58 سے لے کر 61 تک آپ نے اس کو ریڈنگ بھی دینی ہے، اس کو سمجھنا بھی ہے لیکچر سے جو آلریڈی میں اپلوڈ کر چکا ہوں. کلیکٹ ڈفرنٹ ورڈس difficult words from these pages. 10 MCQs. Write the name of the symbol given on page number 60. ابھی جو اس لیکچر میں سب سے لاسٹ جو سیکنڈ لاسٹ ٹاپک تھا یہ وہی ہیں. نوٹ پریپریشن پریپیئر اے پریزنٹیشن. آپ نے ایک پریزنٹیشن تیار کرنے ہیں اینیمل اینڈ پلانٹ سیل پہ، فوٹوسینتھسس پہ اور سولوشن. اور اس پریزنٹیشن کو پھر آپ نے جب چھٹی آپ کی ختم ہو جائیں، آپ واپس آ جائیں گے تو آپ نے اس کو پریزنٹ کرنا ہے کلاس روم میں، اور کسی بھی اپنے چوائس سے کوئی بھی ماڈل آپ بنا لیں. سو دس از دا اینڈ آف یونٹ نمبر 6. تھینک یو.